Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted. Two things. One, we're going to stop calling this Microbrands Unscripted. Let's just do it like unboxing, unscripted, unfiltered. And speaking of unfiltered, number two, I'd like to mention Kunuku Coffee Roasters is the best roasted coffee in the whole wide universe. If I haven't told you that before, I don't remember telling you that. And you know why it's very important for you to taste handcrafted coffee? Because once you go into tasting and consuming handcrafted coffee, you're never going back to instant coffee. Let me give you a little demonstration, a little experiment. As you may say, this is handcrafted coffee. And this is how it tastes like to go back in instant coffee. You just wrap it in like that. Make sure that you have like some sort of like scraping going on. Then taste it. Yes, that's how instant coffee tastes like. It tastes like literal cardboard with coffee and some gunk and some sticker gunk. So why go back to instant coffee when you can go and indulge yourself with handcrafted coffee such as found here in Aruba, done by Kunuku Coffee Roasters. Done the right way, the best coffee in the universe. Now I have coffee all over this table. Anyway, unboxing, unscripted, unfiltered, and unsanitary at all. Okay, so you may have noticed it has Venezianico in there. Why I don't need a knife for that. Okay, we've done that before. We're just gonna open this like this. And of course, all of that coffee goodness is all on my hands, which is very sticky. And look at this. Now this is the quality that you're getting from Venezianico. And look at that. So you may have noticed the arsenal is there because they also sent me some arsenal straps. So that's the first thing that we're going to do here. So arsenal straps, they just stick in like that. And you have the pins to put inside, in between. Let's do it really, really quick. And let's see how quick would that be. Well, it doesn't seem to be that quick. It seems because, you know, I'm filming and the alignment is wrong. And I need to fiddle it out. Let's see now. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. The other way around. No. Okay. Well, we're not going to bother with that. But you see, that's how it looks like. Right there. Very nice. Okay. So we're going to fix that later. But it comes with this very nice Ziploc pouch. And look at this. There's two of them because this one has a new parachute strap. And this parachute strap has Venezianico on it. And why does it have that? Because that's what we're going to unbox this time. And this is a few first from Venezianico. Okay, that's not a first. This is also not a first. A lot of packaging, a lot of wrapping. I mean, take a sip. Okay, so 4 minutes in and you haven't seen the actual watch. This is the kind of suffering that you are subjected to this channel, but that is the Venezianico. Packaging, very white, trying to avoid all of the coffee that's spilled over here. I wonder why that spilled. Ah, yes. Well, look, it doesn't seem so different with the typical Nereide that you've seen from this channel and from this. It's very light. From this, nearly toppled my rig there. Focus, let me focus. Okay, there we are. Now, what's so special about this Nereide is that this is the very first titanium Nereide from Venezianico. And as you can see there, let's focus that. Okay, Nereide Titanio. Titanio. So because this is titanium, guys. This is the first titanium watch from Venezianico. At least that's what I think. Again, I never read all of these press kits that brands send me. I'm going in blind here and ignorant. And there's a, how come my, there it doesn't want to focus. What? Let's see. There we are, finally. Okay. Now this is a hand-drawn image of Titan, I guess. And then they digitized that and etched it at the back of this watch. Very cool. And you know that because Venezianico always uses the case back as a way to show art. It has this very nice fume dial going on, but more importantly, this seems to be grade 5 titanium because otherwise they won't be able to do all of that. How come my camera doesn't want to focus all of a sudden? What's wrong with this camera right now? I mean, what's happening? Oh, maybe it's the knife. Let's see. Okay, 6 minutes in, and I've already annoyed you to no end. There we are. Okay, finally. Okay, let's hold it there. So you can see here that they have some really nice polished chamfers, and it's very difficult to do that with grade 2 titanium. So I assume this is grade 5 titanium, but again, we're going to have a full review of this watch. If you have any comments, don't hesitate and put it on the comment section. As you may all know, when I have these unboxing videos, I take the comments from that unboxing video and insert it in the actual video review. So let's look at it on my wrist. Let's remove my GShock there. Okay. And they also have this very nice new strap, rubber strap that they have going on with some combination of fabric in there. Okay. There you go. And this is a 42mm watch. So some people will complain that it's rather big on my wrist, but I feel fine. I'm fine with it, guys. Come on. I mean, I am a free bird. I can wear whatever I want. Yeah, including this. This is like one big chunky monster like that. We unboxed that just a few days ago. But this is pretty good. Look, it's not that thick, and it's pretty light on the wrist. So that's it for this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And let's see if this Venezianico Titanio, Nereide Titanio is anything good. It looks pretty solid to me. It has a really cool, different titanium sheen going on. It's a little warm than I expected. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this new Nereide from Venezianico. Not a microbrand anymore, guys. Not a microbrand anymore. So let's stop calling this segment Microbrands Unscripted. Unboxing, unscripted, unfiltered.